Dear students, good morning, namaste. We are in part 5, that is 3D, three-dimensional geometry, and we discussed the first 4 parts about the DRs and the DCs of a line. Suppose OP is a line or simply a ray. A line OP is a line, P is a point, O is horizon. It makes some angles alpha, beta, gamma, then cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma are DCs. And DRs are the 3 numbers, 3 constants which are proportional to the DCs. DCs and DRs. Okay. Here, before going to start the 5th part, we recall one thing. The 3-dimensional geometry is nothing but the vectors. Vectors and 3-dimensional geometry both are connected. Of course, it is a 3-dimensional geometry, it is a common, general. In that one, vectors is one part. Already we discussed the vectors. They are the components of a vector. Suppose a bar is equal to a1i plus a2j plus a3k. For example, a bar is equal to I plus 2j plus 3k. I coefficient 1, j coefficient 2, k coefficient, z coefficient 3. Like that, 1, 2, 3 are the components of the vector in the vector chapter. Whereas those components are 1, 2, 3 are DRs in geometry. Okay, now? Okay, we discussed many properties in the first 4 parts and we solved the 11.1 exercise also. Now we are going to discuss about a property 1 and 2. These are very important concepts. It is asked, this proof is also asked with related one problem. You see, here suddenly we discuss about the vector equation of a line passing through the point A bar and parallel to B bar. The heading is equation of a line in space. Of course, in the first PU, equation of a line, straight line is there. Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Normal form, intercept form, 2-point form, slope intercept form, like that is there. But there, that straight line is on the 2 dimension, only x-axis, y-axis. But here, it is a line in space. Already many times we discussed, it is horizon, it is x-axis, and it is y-axis, it is z-axis. Our room is a space. Suppose a line is like that. My hand, you assume, my hand is a PQ line, a line segment. PQ or AB or CD, like that. This is in the space. Then, what is its equation? That is the question. It is not a 2-dimensional straight line. It is a 3-dimensional geometry. 3-dimensional straight line. That is a line in the space. Now, the very first one, the equation of a line passing through a point A bar. Here you see, it is A bar and parallel to the B bar. It is meaningless. We may feel that it is meaningless. You are telling that, sir, A bar is a point. Yeah, it is A bar is a point. A bar means it is a position vector of a point P. So, it is passing through the point P. And parallel to B bar means there it is a free vector. B bar is a free vector, A bar is a position vector. You try to understand. Then we have to find the vector equation first. Through that one we can find the Cartesian equation also. What is Cartesian equation? I will tell you. You see, solution or proof. Suppose it is the required line. It is passing through a point A whose vector equation whose position vector is A. That means it is origin to A point. The position A bar is A bar. That is we are given. Besides the point A, if you write A bar, that is the position vector. It is a notation. Or otherwise you simply mention. It is not needed. Okay. This is the required line which is passing through the point A bar. A bar means it is not passing through the vector. It is passing through the point whose position vector is A bar. That is the mean. And it is parallel to the vector B bar. It is parallel to the vector B bar. That is the concept. The line for which we are finding the equation. Of course, vector equation or a Cartesian equation. Later we will discuss. We are finding the equation of a line in the space that is passing through the point A, whose position vector is A bar. Simply in the statement it is given passing through the point A bar. That means passing through the point capital A, whose position vector is A bar. That is the meaning. And parallel to a free vector B bar. Okay, na? Right. This is a required line which is parallel to the free vector B bar and passing through the point whose position vector is A bar. Now we take a point P. We take a point capital P on the required line so that its position vector is a R bar. Okay, na? Let P, assume that. Let P be any point on the required line. Okay, na? So that OP bar is equal to R. Any point means it traces the required line. On the required line, P is everywhere is there. It is a variable point. So that it is moving, so that it forms the required line. Okay, na? In the previous year, that is in the first PU, we discussed about any point. You remember it? Okay, na? Right. P is any point on the line. So that B bar is equal to R bar. Now you see that here A bar is given, B bar is B bar, R bar is ours. We are assuming A and P are lying on the same line. Then what about AP bar? You see, then AP bar, then AP bar is a free vector. It is OP bar minus OA bar. Will you agree? OP bar minus OA bar. What is OP bar? R bar minus A bar. Do you understand it? OP bar minus OA bar. How? AB is a free vector. Any free vector is the difference of terminal point and initial point. We know it. It is AP bar. But you see that. But AP bar is parallel to B bar. We are given in the statement. That means AB bar is equal to, tell me, AB bar is equal to TB bar. Will you agree? TB bar. If two vectors AP bar and B bar are parallel or collinear, any two vectors are collinear, we may equal them. We may make equal by multiplication of one scalar. Will you agree? Already we saw. So AB bar is equal to TB bar. Here AB bar is equal to R bar minus A bar. Here AB bar is equal to TB bar. Just observe. I'm taking here. From these two equations, R bar minus A bar is equal to TB bar. You agree? From the two equations. Say it is 1 and another. It is 2 assume. From 1 and 2, we get R bar minus A bar is equal to TB bar. Then what about R bar? This A bar goes to this side, A bar plus TB bar. It may be T or lambda also. We may take lambda, any lambda constant. In textbooks, it may be given a lambda or K. What else may be? T, a constant, a scalar, where T is a scalar, a constant. Okay, now? So R bar is equal to A bar plus TB bar is vector equation of a line. Okay, na? Of a line passing through A bar and parallel to B bar. Okay, then parallel to B bar means TB bar. Passing through A bar means A bar plus TB bar. That is vector equation. Very clear. In problems, we are asked, we are given a vector through which line is passing and another free vector B bar for which the required line is parallel. We are asked both questions. That is vector equation and simply a equation also. I will explain. First, we find it is over. R bar is equal to A bar plus TB bar is a vector equation. You see, from this one, you see that R bar is a vector. In components we will write. R bar is X I kappa, Y J kappa, Z K cap. Will agree that? R bar is a general vector. That is X, Y, Z. Okay, na? X comma, Y comma, that is coordinates. Whereas A bar is A1I plus A2J plus A3K. It is a component A bar plus T of B1I, B2J, B3K. Okay, now you see that. I am taking as here only I will take. Here P is X comma Y comma Z. A point, that is P bar is Xi plus Yj plus Zk. B bar is simply none. B1I, B2J, B3K, we will write it. That is nothing but B1, B2, B3. A point like this. A1 is A1I plus A2J, A3K. Okay, na? That is, it is simply A1, A2, A3. Coordinates already we know each other. Okay, na? Like that. Now you see, I am substituting those values xi plus yj plus zk is R bar. A1i plus A2j plus A3k is a position vector of a point capital A through which the line is passing. And B bar is a component vector, that is a free vector. You see, I will take it here, I will take. You see, this is xi plus yj plus zk is equal. A1i plus t b1 is there. So a1 plus t b1 I cap. a2 plus t b2 j cap. a3 plus t B3 K cap. Okay, na? You see that? A1I plus T B1I. I is taken as common. A2J plus T B2J. A3K plus T B3K is there. Now comparing the I coefficient, J coefficient, K coefficient. X is equal to A1 plus T B1. Y is equal to A2 T B2. Z is equal to A3 plus T B3. Okay, now X minus A1 is equal to T B1. Simply X minus A1 is equal to T B1. By T1 by B1 I will write it here. It is T na. You see, observe me. X minus A1 by B1 is equal to T remained here. Here also Y minus A2 by B2. Here also T remained. Y minus A2 by B2 T is there. Here also Z minus A3 by B3 is equal to T. So in all three cases, T is common. Okay, na? T is common. Is it okay? So, you see, therefore, X minus A1 by B1, Y minus A2 by B2, Z minus A3 by B3 is equal to T. T is equal to X term, Y term, Z term. So, this is equation. Here, the vector is not there. Only numbers. These are the components of A1 and B1. X, Y, Z are components of general vector R1. They are numbers, coordinates of the point. So this is simply Cartesian. This is a Cartesian equation of life. Okay, Nana? So R bar is equal to A bar plus T B bar is a vector equation, whereas the R bar, A bar, B bar are in components. Already it is given in the problem like that only. That is, for example, R bar is equal to 2i plus 3j plus 5k, T of 7i plus 8j plus 9k. Like that, the components, the coordinates will be given. Then the Cartesian form of the same line, not vector equation, Cartesian equation. X minus A1 by B1. A1, A2, A3 are the coordinates of point A. B1, B2, B3 are the coordinates of the point B. Like that one. We can find the Cartesian equation. Okay, na? These are the first one. Okay? Yeah. Okay. We discussed one property, that is a vector equation and Cartesian form of straight line passing through A bar and parallel to B bar. You mind it, parallel to B bar. A bar parallel to B bar. Now, we take one example. That is page number 469 and the example 6. You see that we are given capital A is equal to 5, 2 minus 4. You can understand here, the line is passing through the point A is given. That is, what is A bar? It is 5i plus 2j minus 4k. That is correct. We are given point, but we can mend it, we can change it into position vector of A bar. That is Y bar. And free vector. What is a free vector? Free vector means it is B bar is equal to 3i plus 2j minus 8k. It is a free vector. Okay, now that means I will draw the diagram also. It is passing through the point A, 5 to minus 4, and parallel to a vector B bar. It is parallel to the vector B bar. And as usual, we take a point P, horizon. It is O A bar, A bar, it is O B bar, R bar. Okay, that is it. Then vector equation, VE means vector equation. The vector equation of required line is R bar is equal to A bar plus TB bar. Not only T, K, you assume, or lambda or mu, whatever it means. R bar is equal to, what is A bar? It is 5y plus 2j minus 4k plus T of, what is B bar? It is 3i plus 2j minus 8k. Okay, now? That is a vector equation. It is a vector equation of required line. Now Cartesian form. Cartesian equation of the same line. Now Cartesian, Descartes is mathematician. He formed all the geometry. That is, geometry is two-dimensional, three-dimensional, whatever it may be. That is based on the coordinates x, y, three-dimensional x, y, z. So here the Cartesian, that means the Cartesian equation means it is x minus a1 by b1, y minus a2 by b2, z minus a3 by b3. Okay, now not needed to write a t or lambda or k, whatever it may, because all those are equal to x term, y term, z term. Now it is x minus, what is a1? This is a1, a1, b1, a1, a2, a3. 5, x minus 5 by b1 is 3. Y minus a2 is 2 by b2 is 2. Z minus of minus 4 by, here it is minus 8. So x minus 5 by 3, y minus 2 by 2, z plus 4 by minus 8. Okay, Nana? That is the Cartesian equation. Yeah. The pass.